Wanted to talk through the keyword clustering prompt for ChatGPT and to use in Google Sheets or Excel or whatever. So I've exported all the keyword data. This is from SE Ranking, but wherever it comes from, Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs. Basically, once you've got your list of keywords in one column, then if you go to ChatGPT and ask it to, I think the prompt I used were, I need a keyword clustering formula, which also allows me to Uh, there can be in multiple types, basically. There can be in multiple clusters because at first it created a formula where it's just got to be one definite cluster. So these are all sort of sports and clothing related keywords, and it'd either put them in brand if it was Adidas, sport if it had like cricket, or clothing type if it had like shorts or something. So this is the final formula, and I'll put this in the description. You can see there if you want to pause the video. All you need for this really is, and this is where it does have a little bit of manual work. So if there's a better version of this, I know there are paid tools out there, but this is the best way I can think of doing it for free. Is use this. So it's using this is obviously using the cell in the keyword column. So say we're wanting to cluster this keyword, I'll put it into a certain category. So it's Adidas football hoodie. What you do need to add, if you want to cluster it into different categories, is all the different words in the key phrase which would add it to that category. So for like brands, I've put Adidas, Nike, Puma. If you're wanting to add, you can add as many brands as you want. I just get a list of the main brands that you're looking to cluster into from your keyword research. So like add Adidas, Nike, Puma, Castor, uh, Reebok. I'd get a full list of brands, and then if you add them in, separated by the pipes, and down there as well. And then same again with sports, get a list of sports, put them in separated by the pipes, and this can translate to any industry or set of keywords that you want. And then hoodie, jacket, t-shirt. So if you were like keyword clustering chocolates, for example, you might go, right, so flavor is one cluster that I want to see. So you change that to flavor, and then put like, I don't know what the flavors would be, like cherry, strawberry, all that sort of stuff in between the pipes. So, I mean, obviously, give me a message, go to fisherseo.com if you want me to run through how to do this. But this is just an example. So we're trying to cluster this keyword, and then we can just drag it down, and it'll cluster the rest of them. So I've only added in a couple just so you can see the code quite clearly there. And I'll put it in the description so you can just copy and paste it as well. So if we copy that there, and I'd already done it previously, so I'll just like paste over it. So type of key, I suppose. Let me just change that to keyword cluster. And then if I paste the code in there, enter, A2. Okay, so you can see that this is that key phrase, Adidas football hoodie, fits into all three clusters. It's got a brand, sport, and the clothing type. Now if I drag this down, then, sorry, it does have an element there as well. If it doesn't fit into any, then it's other. This should, again, there you can see custom hoodies is just clothing type. So it's not got a brand in there, it's not got sport in there, but it does have a hoodie clothing type. And this is from the code you can see. So it's got hoodie in there. I'd always suggest that you use singular words rather than plurals because hoodies would not show up for hoodie, if that makes sense. So if you're just doing flavors, don't put like strawberries, just put strawberry. and then it'll should catch all, or put like a partial bit of it like straw. Um, but yeah, so that's a quick keyword clustering tool, and I've just dragged this down to the bottom, and then I can go right. I want to see every um, keyword that's a brand, so we'll clear that. Select brand, clear brand. All right, so these are all my branded keywords. So these are all my look, they've all got Nike, Adidas. The only bit of manual work you need to do is around adding the different clusters. So just add in these here. So yeah, hopefully that helps.